Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do some cosmetic work on the WRX. It's nothing much, just doing some little vinyl working and just doing little things like vinyl wrapping some part of the cars, some detailings, and yeah, just to make sure that the car looks as great as this. So so the first thing that you didn't notice is that I installed a lip, and I didn't make a video of it because I think it's just straightforward. It's nothing that hard. It's just, bolts on some bolts on the bottom and line it up and then screw it up on the bottom. But I can show you here. There's a screw here. You can see on the bottom here. So there's another screw here. So all this is just screwing on the lip to the bumper on the bottom. It's all secure on the bottom. So yep. Yeah, so this is a really easy job. It took me like 10 minutes to put this on. It looks great. And another thing I did today was I added some pinstriping to the front grille. It just looks amazing like this. All this is just some pinstriping that I have left over from years and years ago. So you can either use red vinyl for car wrapping, or something like these simple ones like the red pinstripings that you can get on eBay for like a couple bucks. Yeah, looks great. Like once you put it on, use a heat gun, heat it up, make sure it stays in place, especially on these bends here. So yeah, just take your time and run your finger through it, making sure everything is like on there, it's not loose. So yeah, it looks pretty great. Yeah, so the end result looks really good, and the lip too looks good. So another thing that I want to do today is I have these carbon fiber look like vinyl I have left over for my phone. So I'm gonna try to use this on this inner piece here, and I'm gonna try to make some stickers that goes right inside the WRX words. So make this pop. So for this area, so my car has been ceramic coated. So what I wanted to do is take off that coating by using some of the alcohol and wipe this down, and then stick this on. All right, let's go. Alright, so now I'm gonna try to make the WRX red. So I'm gonna try to make some vinyl that fit within these WRX logos. So first I'm gonna have to make some of these. Put a ruler